We'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, but we're approaching to negative MACD territory. As with the 4 hour chart, we still remain in slightly positive MACD, and as we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, but we did see it converge. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $50.26, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $54.05, and my stop loss is at $49.23. However, if I were to make a short position, my entry is at $55.68, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $51.34, and my stop loss is at $57.39. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 20% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 5.1%, a 20% chance to climb between 5.1 to 10.2%, and to the downside a 60% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5.1%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.